Alright, got a QV 8000 Echo. Thing was a CS8000, 80cc saw. It was a fire department saw. Had the hook bill bar on it for cutting, for ventilating roofs. Put a new bar and chain on it, 24-inch. Saw's in good shape. It probably sat more in the fire truck than it ever ran. I bet total time is no more than 20 hours total running time on this saw. It was just used to ventilate roofs. And I'm going to start it up for you. Set the camera down. That's brute power right there. Saw's in good shape. All these older style Echoes were great saws. Nothing like what they got today.